What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a short tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can create your own shape preset inside Affinity. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and become part of the community because there are more things that we're going to do here. And if you're already here too, thank you for coming back. Please like the video if you found it helpful and share it as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, what do I mean by preset? Okay, so select any shape from your shape tool. Okay, so I'm going to go for, let me say, the star. Okay, so let me click the star. Now I'm just going to draw, right? So my stroke is big, so I have to reduce it. Yeah, we don't want that. Now I'm having my star shape, right? When you come here, we have what we call it presets in the option bar. So when you click on it, it's going to give you these ones. All right, now you can see that all these are the default presets we have inside this star, and this one is having this little icon here. So this is what I have personally created. Okay, and that is what I'm going to show you. So to create this, it is very simple. Now what you can do is that you can use this point here around the stars. Okay, the point around the stars here, you can use it to do your manipulation. Okay, so maybe you want to do something like this or this. All right, now when you do it, let's say this is what we want. Okay, you can easily come to the preset. All right, then come to this three lines here, click on it and just hit create preset. Now you just have to give it a name. So let me say new shape. Okay, let me make a new shape. Now when you hit OK, you have your new shape here. All right, so you can just get rid of it. All right, but when you come to the star, all right, then you draw a star like that, then you go to the preset, you are going to find the shape there. So you just have to click on it and it will turn into that. All right, it's very simple as that. Now one thing you need to know is in order for you to create this as we've created, you have to make sure that the shape is in a form that will allow you to save it as preset. So what I mean is that once you have the shape, you check your option bar whether you still have this icon here. If you have the icon here, then it means that the shape is in a form or it has the properties that will allow the software to save it as preset. Okay, so if we do something like converting this shape into curves, you can see that we don't have the preset here. So that means that you won't be able to save it as preset. So it's something that I want you to take note of that. All right, so let's get back. If you also use the node tool, okay, to manipulate, and before you can even use the node tool, you need to convert it to curves, and in that case you're not going to be able to save it as preset. Okay, so what you can do is that you can use these things here, this dot, to make the adjustment you want. All right, or the manipulation, you can just use them, or you can also use the options here. All right, so you can maybe increase the points, all right, or you can just check the inner radius, okay, like that, or the outer. Okay, so you can just use these options, right? And you could see that still you have what the presets, right? So this is how you can create your own shape preset inside Affinity. I hope you find the video helpful. If you find it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because that really helps me and it motivates me to do more. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that any subsequent video I upload, you get a notification on your device. Thank you for watching, and let me see you in the next video. Bye.